Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knitcrate bag with goodies in it. Contact me with your information with my email, which is listed down below. And if anybody's interested in Knitcrate, it's $24.99 per month, and you get 2 skeins of yarn with a booklet of patterns every month. And that information is down below. You can get 20% off your first month with the promo code Jewel20 if you sign up under me. And the winner I'm going to show soon, and thank you everybody for participating in this giveaway. Congratulations to the winners, and also make sure you're a subscriber. So let's see who that winner is. Congratulations, Colleen A. Walton. Thank you for the giveaway. I'm crocheting a large granny square bag for my sister for Christmas with scrap yarn. Okay, so contact me down below. Everybody look out for more giveaways. Hopefully I can do them every week, so look out for those. And if the winner doesn't claim their prize within a couple weeks, I'll have to pick a new winner. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.